I'm just in my room getting ready. Really badly need to decorate. This is absolutely disgraceful. Don't mind my Michael Jackson cardboard cutout. I'm a big fan of Michael Jackson. But I'm taking the kids today to Calderglen. We are going to go to the play park and we are going to go on a nature hike. So you are welcome to come and join us. See you in a minute. Hello, that's us at Calderglen. It's just trees so far. That's the tennis club over there. We are stuffing our face with bags of sweets just because we can. Yep. So
so delicious.
We're going for a little walk first and then we're going to the park. Woo, yippee. Abby, check the size. That is a big tree.
I wonder if it's taller than me.
I think just a little bit.
Yeah.
Mega tall. So green still. It's amazing. Now here, what way do you want to go? The left or the right?
Left.
The right path looks more stable.
Yeah.
The left path looks better.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's see what's down here.
The Amazon ones are.
The Jaggy tree.
Hello, potato.
I'm going to climb that tree.
It's literally just full of
Just imagine how tall
spines.
the Amazon rainforest ones are. They like triple the size of that.
But we're going
Size of
down
that
to the
limit.
water.
Such a
Oh, the dreadful stairs. I don't wanna. Careful. So beautiful, see that? Isn't it?
There's a beer when you look down. There's a beer in this waterfall. Mum, who put beers in the waterfall?
I know, it's crazy, that one. by the water. It's absolutely beautiful down here. This is Calderglen Country Park. It is of course in East Kilbride, and it is absolutely beautiful, and it's literally a 5-minute walk from where we live. It's also got a park and a zoo, as well as obviously the nature trails and all the water. It's really, really cool. The kids absolutely love it. Don't you? Yeah. You loving it? Yeah. It's a bit of a dirty clip. Oh, there's all dirty clouds coming. I don't want to go home. I was quite nice and happy. But anyways, sorry. It's getting really windy. I'm going to need to turn this off, otherwise you won't be able to hear what I'm saying. So I shall go now, and the next time you see me, I shall probably be at home, because I think those look like rain clouds. I'll see you when I get in.
Okay. What did you have for dinner?
I had a whole pizza to myself, but then I got to film it then.
A whole pizza.
Yeah, I was hungry, and the pizza was really good.
And how much sweets did you have today?
A quarter of a summer sweet.
And how many donuts have you had?
A packet of 4.
4 donuts?
Yeah, you like them. Also, I've got a question for everybody.
Oh.
Asked on Instagram. I've got 2 things I want to be for Halloween, but I can't decide.
Go for it. What do you want to be?
I want to be a Tin Man or a cheetah.
A Tin Man or a cheetah?
And the Tin Man is a dress. It's a metallic dress, and the dress is connected to a bow tie, which I find really cute. And has these leg warmers and arm warmers and a little tin hat.
That's pretty cute.
And then the cheetah, it's a dress with a hoodie, and it has these cool gloves. Comes with a tail. It comes with little leggings. They're really cool. In the picture, a girl's wearing flats, and I've got a pair of flats.
Ooh.
No.
Well, if anybody has any preference for the Tin Man or a cheetah, please do let us know. Anyways, if you like this video coming through the park with us today, then please do give us a little thumbs up. It sure is appreciated. That's not a thumbs up, that's an okay sign. Try again, there we go. Yes.
Wait, I got something to say.
Every time I close out.
We hit 100 subscribers!
We did hit 100 subscribers, but that was to be announced in the next vlog.
Sorry, but yay.
Anyways, I think that's clearly time for us to go. Please hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. I might just put it over Abby's face. I might do. And we'll see you all again next time.